Welcome to Dallas Designer Handbags.
We have a gorgeous, gorgeous Chanel bag. And she is beautiful. Going for $46.95. She is an absolutely stunning vintage Chanel. So beautiful. I love the actual, let's get this up. I absolutely love this bag so much. She's gorgeous. And yes, definitely beautiful bags for you here at Dallas Designer Handbags. I love these Chanel bags so much because we have a lot of variety with the bag, which I absolutely love. It is gorgeous. Got our beautiful double C on the front. Absolutely stunning bag. And if we go ahead and open here for us, we'll open up to our gorgeous white leather on our interior. And when we look all on the inside, we'll have one small sewn on leather pocket here. And then we will also have our zipper. Absolutely gorgeous. No slipping, no pulling. And we'll have our zipper pocket up here. And then on our opposite side, we'll have one small sewn in pocket there for us. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And I love that for the white bag, we do have a leather interior, a lot easier to keep clean. She is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. There we go. She is a gorgeous Chanel bag. And again, the back of our bag is so beautiful. I just love how we still have the neutral color, but we do get some pattern and texture with it. It is absolutely stunning. And I know we have some beautiful other bags to show here. I know we have some more people in, so welcome to our new viewers here at the Dallas Designer Handbags, excuse me.